Let's make this logo flip edit together. First of all, bring your footage into the composition. Then, pre-compose the layer. Make sure to move all attributes into the new composition. Let's name it Logo 1. Now, create a mask around the logo using either the ellipse tool or the pen tool. Adjust the mask carefully to fit the logo. Take your time. Next, we need to track the mask. If you can't find the tracker, go to the top menu. Window, Tracker. Choose the third tracking method and start the tracker. Once the tracking is complete, adjust the mask if it missed any points. Again, don't rush this part. Accuracy is key. Now, duplicate the pre-composed layer. On the bottom layer, invert the mask. Select the top layer. Make it 3D and add keyframes for position and rotation. Apply Easy Ease, then edit the speed graph for smoother motion. Enable motion blur. Looks nice, but there's a black hole to fix. You have two options to fix it. Option 1. Let After Effects generate a fill using Content-Aware Fill. You'll find it under Window, Content-Aware Fill. After Effects will create a new layer. Place it under the logo layer. Option 2. Use Photoshop. Click Create Reference Frame, and Photoshop will open. Use the lasso tool to select the uncovered area. Go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. Select only the metal area as the fill source and preview the result. Once you're satisfied, apply the fill, export the image, and bring it back to After Effects. Place this image below your logo layer. It gives a better result, but since it's static, you'll need to mask it. Use the pen tool to create a mask and play with the mask expansion until it blends well. Now let's add reflection. Duplicate the logo layer and rename it Reflection. Scale it down, move it slightly, and lower the opacity to around 35%. Change the blending mode to Multiply. Looks great. Finally, for an energy effect, duplicate the logo layer again and apply the saber effect. Set core type to Layer Masks. In composite settings, choose Transparent. Change the preset to whatever you like. In this case, I'll use Energy. Animate the energy by keyframing the Start Offset and Mask Evolution. Add Ease, adjust timing. and done. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.